When you're shopping for car insurance, there's one thing you got to know above almost all others. I'm attorney Ted Sink with TedLaw firm. I've helped hundreds of families recover millions after car wrecks. And I tell you, not knowing about car insurance can cost you thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars. The key is this: UIM, under-insured motorist in South Carolina, or UM add-on in Georgia. They don't even tell you about this stuff. The insurance companies make you think you got full coverage. It doesn't exist. There's lots of different types of coverage. PIP, MedPay, you want those too. So very good. They pay for you whether you're at fault or not for your medical payments. Get those. They're usually pretty cheap. There's comprehensive and collision. Those, again, if you're at fault, it can be helpful. But the number one thing to know about is underinsured motorists. You got to know about this. I just had a friend who's a close friend of mine send me his policy, and I reviewed it. And he said, "Well, what do I need? What do I change up?" I was like, "Oh my gosh, there's no UIM on here." So I realized I have to keep shouting this from the rooftops: get underinsured motorists, because these days the minimum policy limits are often $25,000 depending on your state. It could be $15,000 or less, and that might be all the other side has. If you're going to drive her from California or some other places, they try to reduce the coverage if they do something particularly heinous and hurt you, and sometimes hurt you really badly. The only way to protect against that and to lose everything you have trying to pay for a wreck that was someone else's fault is to get underinsured motorist protection. And in Georgia, they have that's called UM. It's the underinsured, they're kind of combined. But reducing is bad. That takes away money from you. The add-on is what you want. So underinsured motorists, you got to get it. In Georgia, you got to get the uninsured add-on. It can be a lifesaver. The number one cause of bankruptcy in this country is medical bills. And underinsured, uninsured will help pay for that in a lot of great scenarios. So make sure you get that. Follow for other tips. Get that UIM when you're shopping.